it's Leslie here, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you the things you have to consider before purchasing your domain and host provider. There are tons of websites where you can purchase domain names, but the most famous are GoDaddy, HostGator, and Bluehost. I personally recommend these three websites because of their customer support. Whenever you have a problem, you can get an immediate response. And also, these companies are in the market for a very long time, so you can really trust them. Suppose you've already decided what domain name to buy. Now, let's check if it's available. First, let's check here in GoDaddy. I've decided to use my name as a domain, so it's leslieledesma.com. Click Search Domain, and here it shows it's available and it's $11.99 per year. Now, I don't want to buy it yet, I just want to check if it's available. Most companies offer a free domain if you decide to host this domain in this same website. So let's see their package. Let me just go back to the main site. Check here, web hosting, $5.99 per month. So let's check this out. Now, I think I will check this one. It's $5.99 per month. I will get one website, 100 GB storage, standard performance. Okay. Also free Office 365 for 1 year and a free domain. So let's check this one. Now select the term length. Oh, it will be $5.99 per month if you pay for 36 months. But if you pay for 12 months only, that would be $6.99. So let's just check 12 months only, how much it will cost me. It will be $83.88, and I will get an Office 365 email for 12 months. And let's see, protect your hardware, no need this one, we can get that for free later. Add SSL certificate. So this one right here is important because it will show that your website is secure. See here on top, there's a padlock, okay? This lock here shows that your website is secure. And also, it can boost your Google search ranking and prevent your site from being flagged as not secure in your website's address. Same like my other website, themininvest.com. As you can see here, there's also a lock that means this is secure. And HTTPS means secure. In some website, you will see here not secure, and it's only written HTTP without the S. So SSL certificate is very important. So if I will add that, it will cost me a total of $163.87. This is for 1 year. If I will divide that for 1 month, the cost is $13.65 per month. So in this package, I get the full hosting for 1 year, a free domain, and an SSL certificate. So let's see. You get the free domain. I will type my domain now. Yeah, your domain is available, and guess what? It's free. Now, here's the catch. The free domain is free for 1 year only. In the next year, I have to renew it, and this will be the cost, $17.99. So you have to take this into consideration as well. Now, if I click select and continue, I will get a website builder free trial for 1 month only, 1 year of hosting, which is $83.88, and it renews $8.99 per month. free for 12 months, a Microsoft 365 starter email, and a standard SSL for 1 year. So the total amount I have to pay is $163.87, and this is good for 1 year. And please note that I have to renew $17.99 per year for my domain. Okay? And also this renews every year, $79.99. Now let's check the other website. Let's go to HostGator. It shows here starting at $2.75 per month, and I will get a free domain as well. So let's see. There are 3 plans. When you just started, I recommend this only, Hatchling plan. You will get a free SSL certificate and a free domain. So let's check. Now I will type my domain. It's .com. If you want to change the extension, you can choose here, but I prefer .com. So now it's available and it's free. And please note here that in the next year I will be billed $14.95. Okay? And this one, if you click this is additional cost. So you want to unclick that. Domain privacy, that's not really important. Now, let's go to the billing cycle. It's $2.75 per month if you pay for 36 months. But since I don't want to pay that much, I will just choose 12 months. Oh, if I choose 12 months, it will cost me $8.95 per month. Okay, so let's see. Now there are some add-ons here that we don't really need. Remove this. Earlier it shows that there is a free SSL certificate, right? Here, they want you to pay extra if you want to display a site badge from the global leader in SSL. It's like a badge that shows that your website is secure, and you can use that to display in your website. But for me, it's not really important, as long as it will show in the upper part here that it's secure. Okay, in the URL that it's secure. So for me, that's enough. I don't need a badge, so I don't need to click that. I don't need this as well. I can get that for free. So now here's what included in my package. I got a free domain and a hosting for 1 year for $47.4 plus the tax. So the total amount is $50.53. That is $4.2 per month. Wait, this is much cheaper compared to GoDaddy, right? And I also got 24/7 live chat and email support and instant account activation. So this is a pretty good deal. But I want to check the Bluehost as well. It shows here free domain, free SSL certificate. Now let's get started. So let's say we'll choose the basic one. I'll type my domain, click next. Great, domain is available. Now let's see what's included. It shows here $3.95 if I will go for 36 months. But if I want to choose 12 months only, that would be $71.4. So $5.95 for 12 months. I got the free domain and I got the SSL for free. I don't need domain privacy and code guard. No need this as well. So the total amount I have to pay is $71.4. If you divide that into 12 months, that would be $5.95 per month. So, based on those information, the cheapest one is the HostGator, wherein I have to pay only $50.53. I got a free domain and got a hosting for 1 year, a free SSL certificate, a live chat support, and an instant account activation. So I think I'll go for this one. So that's it. I hope this video helps you in choosing the right company or the right website to go for domain registration and web hosting. Please don't forget to subscribe in my channel so I can make more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best in your new website. Bye!